Okay, so this is the second part of the sliding image slider image layout. So I will come here and declare the private, and that will, sorry, not in the capital but small, private view pager, private static, and there will be view pager and impager. Okay, next thing we will declare the control D for the duplicate, and here we will write the integer, and then we will write the counter, and current page, sorry, and we'll write 0. The next thing we have to write the number of pages, and that will be also an integer, and write the number of, sorry, not here, is the number of pages, and okay, and also we have to first hit 0. Okay, the next thing we will declare a private array list, and inside the array list I will pass the image model, and also will declare the image model list. Okay, it's done. Now the next thing we have to write the private and declare the images array and name it my image list, and new integer the object of this array, not this, and inside this we will write the odd.tribal.e1, then a comma and control D for the duplicate. Here I will write the P2, and next thing will be P3, and then a P4, control D 2 times, so that will be P5 and P6. Also we have to place a semicolon here. Okay, next thing we will declare a private method, and the method will be type of void. So for that I will write the private and void, also the integer, and I will just name the int, not the integer. Okay, I will write here 1. Okay, I will write the impager, and why it's creating problem. Okay, sorry, I'm out of the method, that's why. Okay, impager, and that will be find view by id or dot id dot pager, and the next thing will be impager dot set adapter, and the adapter is new sliding image adapter, and inside the adapter we will pass the context of this activity and also the array list, and that is image model array list, and then in the end we will place a semicolon. Okay, what is the problem? So the problem is that they need a constructor. So first of all I will come here and Okay, the first thing we have declared is first type of the argument is this constructor is ArrayList and then a context. So I will come here and I will declare this image list first, remove this, and here I will write, and then okay, it's done. Okay, again I have some error, and that is, sorry, I will provide here the image model, and also here I will change this image model. Okay, now it's done. Okay, next thing we have to do is to get the circle pager indicator and indicator, and also we have to write to get this ID, find view by ID or dot ID dot indicator. So I will come here, I haven't given any ID to it, so I will give the ID to it, and that will be indicator. So I will write indicator and then a semicolon here. So indicator dot set view pager, and that is the pager, the M pager. Okay, now in this we also final float and density, and then the get resources dot get display, sorry, not configuration, get the resources dot get display matrices and dot density semicolon, and then set the circle indicator radius, and there will be indicator dot set radius, and the radius will be 5 multiply the steric, and that will just, we are giving the density. Okay, next thing we have to the number of pages, and it is the image array list dot size. Here we have an error. It is requiring some float value. Integer. Okay, just change this and 5.0. Okay, we will see this again in the at the end, so leave it remaining the same. Auto start, for the auto start I will write final, and final handler, and the handler and the object of the handler. Also we have to final runnable, and that will be update, and that will be new runnable. Inside this we will write if current pages equal to number of pages, then we have to write current page equal to 0, and also the mpager dot set current item, and that will be the current pager, and the next increment this one, and also the smooth scroll will be true. Okay, next thing we have to write a time swiper, a timer, and we will give name to this timer, swipe timer, and the object of this timer by declaring the new keyword, and that's done. Okay, now we have to write the schedule for the timer. So for that I will write swipe timer dot schedule, and handler dot post and update. Okay, sorry, I have new timer task, and inside this timer task I will write handler dot post, and this will be update and the semicolon. Okay, next thing we have to write here the delay and period. So that will be 2000 to 2000, and also we get here. Okay, next thing we have to write the indicator dot set on page listener. Not here, sorry, again indicator dot set on change page listener, and the new view pager change listener. Okay, also one thing we have to declare here, on change on page selected I will pass the current page equal to position, and next thing okay, remove this, and here I will write the private array list, and inside the array list I will write the image model, and name to this method, and that is populate list, and the body of this method. Inside the body of this method I will write array list, and inside the array list I will write image model again, and then I will declare the list and the object of the array list by using new keyword. And now I will write for and integer I will be start from 0, and then I will given up to the condition of 6, and then I will increment the I value 1. Okay, next we have to declare the image model again, and the variable instance for this model, and the object of this image model, and image model dot set image drawable and my image list, and the position of this. that is the eye. Okay, it's not taking the eye. We will do it later. Okay, list dot add, and that is the image model, and at the end I will write return, and the return type will be not here, but one thing I forgot is to make the body of this form loop, that's why it's giving error. And also Control X, declare it here and return, and that will be list. Okay, so now we have to solve this error. Okay. हाँ बस सिर्फ आंखों में दार चेंज को मैं बदला है उसमें बस बस दा इधर आ हमारा in minute दगा खबर in a minute. Okay, so the problem was here that I haven't declared this I here, and that didn't make the body of this I the for loop, so that's why it's giving an error. Next error was here in the indicator current position is not assigning, so I haven't passed it here the position, that's why it's giving error. Okay, you can see the code overall here, and I have done everything here. And now we have to call this one thing I will write to call the populate method, and that is the image model array list, and we will create the new the keyword, use the new keyword and pass make the object of this array list. Also one thing is to call the populate list method, and the next thing will be to call this init method. So this is all about, and let's run an application and see the output of this app. Okay, before running the app I have forgot something, and that is I didn't set the image resources and passing the array list to this image view. So what I have done here is I just assigned the array list and position of the array list, and I already created the model class for this method, and also I have the getter setter, so that's why I'm getting just this tribal and the images. So this is why all forgotten, that's why I have to show you here that what I have done here. Okay, so let's run the application now and see the